So it's Liam here from Accelerate Website Agency. This video is to show you how we take an underperforming website in the health and fitness industry and turn it into a lead generating, inquiry generating website using our Accelerate website system. So I'm going to show you an example of how we do this, and let's just head over. What we can see here is a website for a small group personal trainer in Cambridge in the UK. And the first thing that we want to notice on this, you might think it's a video. It's not. What we want to notice is this headline. So the headline is the number one thing that will get someone to stay on your page and decide if they're going to move forward and fill in the forms, become a client. Then we have the hero section. So the hero section really is anything that's above the fold here. So anything that we can see as soon as we land on the page. And for us, this usually on our Accelerate system, we've got the hero image, the headline, the subheadline, and the call to action. The call to action is really important because it's telling people exactly what they need to do to make the next step. Really simple. So headline is where you tell people what you do, how you do it, what result you get them. And this is the same for any industry, really, especially if you're a local business, especially if you're in the health and wellness industry. People are coming to you because they want to get a specific result. And because of that, we want to get that in the headline. The subheadline is designed just to add to that and tell people what they need to do next. And then the call to action button is designed to tell them exactly what they need to do. So it could be arrange a call. It could be find out more. Here's what happens when you press it. We're going to get a pop-up. The pop-up is designed to ask for three things: the name, email address, and the phone number, so you can follow up. This is how we get a lead. So the lead is the name, email address, and phone number. On the next page, once they fill this form in and press the button, they will then get an additional page which might have a video, and then it might also have a few more questions. Let me just show you how this works. This is what we call a micro commitment, by the way. So if this form was just on the page, they would be less likely to fill it. But because they've clicked on the button, the form has popped up, they've already started the process of filling it in. So we call it a micro commitment. And then we ask for bigger levels of commitment as they go through the funnel, the sales funnel, because this is essentially a funnel, website funnel. So the application form on the next page, and then we might even ask them to book in a consultation depending on how our clients want to do that. Yeah, so that's the hero section. I would say that 80% of your results are gonna come from this section. And then the next section is, so this is just your three pillars, your three reasons why people should come and work with you, the three best parts about your business. Every single business should have this on their website. The roadmap to getting results. So if you're a personal trainer or a swimming coach or a tennis coach or a physio, you are all in the business of helping people get results. And if you can show someone a pathway to getting results, then you're going to find it easier to convince people to become a lead, an inquiry through your website. Then we moved on to the next section, which is another call to action. So the calls to action are really important. We pepper them throughout our Accelerate websites. Then the social proof section. Every single business, no matter what you do, should have a testimonials or a social proof section that talks about the results that people get when they work with you. I will do another video talking about testimonials and how to get really good ones, because good testimonials can be the difference between someone deciding not to work with you or someone moving towards you. And we can show you how to get really good testimonials so that people read them and go, wow, that is exactly what I want. And again, we also have a testimonial section on the websites as well, which is another opportunity to get more inquiries and leads from your social media. We can show you how that works. And again, another call to action, because we have to tell people what to do. If you want to work with us, you have to click on this button. And then we have about the business, about the program, stuff about the coach, the sort of stuff that most people put at the start. Whereas we want to talk more about the clients and the results that our clients get for their clients. And there'll be another call to action at the bottom here once they've gone through that. So we have about 6 opportunities to get calls to action. And then we have a frequently asked questions site page. And then again, another call to action. So, and then the footer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on a homepage, typically 6 opportunities for someone to fill in the forms, become a lead, get an inquiry. What we see an awful lot is, number 1, no calls to action. So people don't know where they need to go next to get started, or the owners think that people should go to the contact form and they're making the person work to become a client. It's like, make it easy for people to become clients. Then the other thing we see is links to social media, links to Instagram, links to Facebook, links back to LinkedIn or Twitter or X or whatever they're calling themselves these days. And what you get is someone leaving your site, going to social media, and then they're in distraction, and then you've lost them. Whereas the goal of any website shouldn't be to sell your programs, by the way. It should be to start conversations, to get people to fill in these forms so you can pick the phone up and either sell to them or invite them in for a consultation or a visit or a trial, or however you do that in your health and fitness business. If you want to find out a little bit more about what we do, you can head over to acceleratewebsiteagency.com, or you can click the link below this video. We'd love to have a conversation with you and show you how we can help you.